here's the truth about being a financial advisor na hindi mo pa alam. Nandito ako ngayon sa QC, kasama ko yung aking high school friend na si Patrick. Yan. So, unit manager rin siya sa isang insurance company, sa FWD naman siya. So, alamin natin kung ano yung sagot niya dito.
What I love about being a financial advisor is the nobility of the job. Alam niyo ba guys, we're not just salespeople. We help people understand the importance of insurance, investments, and we are the solutions finder to their financial needs. No, pagdating sa hierarchy ng emergency fund, pagdating sa investments, and even sa succession ng mga wealth nila. Way back 2018, I tried this opportunity as a part-time lang. That time, gusto ko lang yung may ginagawa ako during the time na tapos na yung trabaho ko sa full-time job. No, tapos gusto ko yung excess time ko, sana kumikita din ako ng money kesa sa tambay-tambay lang ako sa mall. At that time, I was earning 15,000 extra income. And akala ko ganun-ganun lang yung trabaho dito, yung part-time lang, until I was able to help a friend na magkaroon ng claims out of a critical illness like a brain tumor. No, imagine I was able to help a friend na 500,000 yung ginastos niya sa hospitalization. But we were able to provide 2 million pesos help para hindi na niya kailangan withdrawin yung retirement funds ng parents niya. Hindi kailangan mag-stop yung education ng kapatid niya. That way, we can help our society understand and reach financial freedom. Kasi di ba normally tayong Filipinos, kapag nagkakasakit tayo, ayaw na natin magpagamot, no, ayaw na natin na magpa-hospitalize kasi alam natin na malaking gastos ang kakaharapin natin. No, so this way we can help people understand that we need life insurance because no, it's not only upon death, no, but for us to live more in this life. No, sana tayo, no, wag natin maliitin yung pagiging financial advisor at mas mahalin natin itong napakagandang trabaho na ito. Ganun lang siya, Tin.
Wow, grabe. Ang ganda-ganda ng sharing mo, Patrick, no? So, if you also want to be part of our mission or if you want to make a difference to other people or magkaroon ng noble job katulad ng shinare ni Patrick, you can contact me and Patrick from AIA and FWD to help the Filipinos secure their family members and themselves kasi 2% lang insured pa sa Philippines. So, marami pang kailangan nating gawin for us to be able to reach financial freedom din, di ba, no? So, yun lang. So, I hope this video helps you a lot. Bye!
Bye!